Hello Galactic family. Your special way. Greetings, dear ones. We are Archangels Zadkiel and Holy Amethyst, seventh ray of transformation and manifestation along the host of the angelic kingdom of light. Today we would like to examine your special way. You are unique beings of light. You emerged from the Creator with love and light. You contain all the universal aspects and attributes needed to help them carry out their special mission. Over the many incarnations, you continued to develop special qualities and used for the greatest good of all. Each individual has a unique way and task. In each incarnation, you conducted a special mission. This led them to develop many qualities and additional attributes that are contributing to its mission and the greater good. You used these qualities in each existence as roamed their way. You are representing your special role in the great tapestry of life and universal creation. Each lifetime can be considered as a series of steps. Each step leads to the next. When you focus on each step, as it comes up, you are able to gain experience and receive the signals that lead to the next step. Each step is part of its unique path and their contribution to the greater good. It is therefore important that you remain faithful to their special way. You are presented with many possibilities, as they follow along the way. These may arise as a fork in the road where the choices can be made. It may also arise as many opportunities being presented at the same time. Each option represents a direction in its path. They are not to be seen as good or bad, but as a selection of which choice is the perfect fit for your way at that time. The choice you make will help them determine the next step on the path and may also influence future directions. Therefore, it is helpful to be in tune with who you are and what you feel you would like to see their contribution to the greater good. Since each person is different, this is a very individual decision. This can be exciting for you because it allows them to connect to their potential and do what your heart desires. You may have known early on what your heart desires, or may have had a number of options that attracted him. Whatever the case, it is sometimes useful to pause and reflect on where you are on your way. One of the first assessments to do is determine whether your direction makes your heart sing. You may want to take a few moments of tranquility and think about your way and the next step. Tune into your heart and see how you feel when they think or imagine your next step. You feel happy and cheerful? If so, this may be an indication that it is suitable for your particular way. If you do not feel happy, they can focus on each part of the next step to try to isolate that part does not please them and if you want to change it. By doing this on a regular basis, you are more likely to remain faithful to their special way. Another aspect to consider is whether the next step in their way is for the highest good. You are now living in an era in which you recognize that everyone and everything is connected. Your path is part of the larger tapestry of creation and everything affects everything. When your next step is in line with the greater good, everyone benefits, and you move in a fluid manner. Staying in the present moment can help them take the next step. You recognize changes in circumstances that will help them know if you wish to make an adjustment, or you see signs that say their next step is where you want to be. These signals may involve a book that you read, something you see on television, or talk to someone. You can see a pen or other object in nature or an animal to them as special. When they remain in the present moment, you are able to recognize the signs as they occur. Be honored by regularly book a quiet moment to examine your next step can help them realize what makes your heart sing, while they are in the service of the greater good. Beloved, we are happy because you are moving forward in their special way. You are at the service of the greater good. Know that you are dearly loved. we Archangel Zadkiel and Lady Holy Amethyst, and surround you with love. And so it is.